Hello, my friends. Have you realized the uniqueness of this type of watermelon? Today, we will start our journey together to the land of the rising sun, Japan, to discover the most expensive black watermelon in the world. On this road, we will admire the beauty of vast fields and meet dedicated farmers who diligently care for these precious fruits. This is not just a journey of discovery, but also an opportunity for us to admire their dedication and enthusiasm. Toma is a town renowned for its cultivation of black watermelons. Have you ever wondered about the fascinating process by which Japanese farmers bring forth these coveted fruits? It all begins with the careful selection of two high-quality watermelon varieties, one prized for its sweet taste and the other for its distinct black coloration. From the nurturing of seeds, the journey unfolds with meticulous attention to ensure the robust growth of young plants. As the seedlings reach maturity, skilled grafters step in to perform the delicate grafting process, typically during the spring or summer months when the plants are at their peak vigor. Grafting demands precision and meticulous detail. The grafter carefully removes a portion of a sweet watermelon plant, skillfully grafting it onto a black watermelon plant. This intricate procedure results in a seamless fusion of sweet flavor and a captivating black hue. The painstaking efforts of these farmers culminate in the creation of the exquisite black watermelon, a masterpiece of taste and aesthetics, rendering it a truly indulgent delicacy. The Densuk watermelon, also known as the black watermelon, earns its title as the king of all watermelons. Planted in late March and harvested by mid-June, these delicate fruits are protected by specially designed coverings, shielding them from harsh elements like wind and rain. Within greenhouses, around 150 black watermelon plants are carefully cultivated, each expected to yield approximately 10 fruits during harvest season, showcasing the effectiveness of traditional farming methods. Farmers meticulously focus on the pollination process, hand-pollinating the flowers to guarantee a successful season. This crucial step demands specialized knowledge and precision. They dedicate individualized attention to each watermelon fruit on every vine, ensuring maximum size for optimal harvest. As we observe the gradual development and maturation of the watermelons, we're struck by the harmonious interplay of nature and the farmer's expertise. With each passing day, the black watermelons thrive under the watchful eye of the farmers who meticulously regulate the greenhouse conditions, maintaining an ideal balance of temperature and humidity. Their diligent efforts extend to constant inspection of the watermelons, meticulously assessing signs of ripeness, and observing their color and firmness with care. This attentive monitoring and nurturing process ensures that the watermelons are harvested at their peak ripeness when they boast their sweetest and most flavorful taste. To prepare these prized fruits for the market, farmers meticulously inspect and hand-select each black watermelon based on size, shape, and color. They prioritize achieving the perfect ripeness, balancing sweetness and juiciness. Using wax coating equipment, they ensure a smooth, glossy surface, while employing protective materials like foam padding and quality boxes for safe transportation. These efforts not only maintain the fruit's integrity, but also enhance its visual appeal. Did you know these watermelons have been auctioned for record-breaking prices of up to 75,000 yen? Observing these black watermelons, I'm filled with admiration for the farmer's dedication. From seed selection, planting, and nurturing, to harvesting and packaging, every step reflects their love, patience, and dedication. This unwavering commitment is the true essence of value behind these black watermelons. If you like these charming and special watermelons, please comment number 1. When you slice open a black watermelon, its juicy red flesh tantalizes the senses. Each bite unveils its signature sweetness, velvety texture, and nuanced flavor. What sets this watermelon apart is its hint of earthiness, adding a unique dimension to its taste profile. As you chew, the burst of watermelon juice releases a sweet and aromatic essence, lingering on your palate. This multisensory experience is truly unforgettable, a special treat that leaves you craving more with each bite. Discover how watermelons are grown and harvested worldwide. Automated planting machines revolutionize farming by efficiently digging holes at precise distances and depths, saving time and ensuring uniformity. These machines seamlessly transition to irrigation mode, providing precise water to each planting hole and fostering strong plant development from the start. Join us as we uncover the innovations shaping agriculture globally. Introducing the compact folding melon harvester by Burstern Engineering and Electronics, a modern solution for efficient watermelon harvesting. With its space-saving folding feature, this harvester is ideal for quick transportation between fields, especially in areas with limited space. Equipped with advanced technology, it automatically selects ripe watermelons for clean and swift cutting, while its leaf and waste separation system ensures optimal fruit preservation. Did you know that timing is crucial when harvesting watermelons? Harvesting at the right moment ensures optimal ripeness, delivering the highest quality fruits to consumers. This timing preserves the fruit's nutrient content, maximizing their nutritional value and delicious taste, while also enhancing efficiency in cultivation by reducing waste and increasing productivity. Moreover, harvesting at the right time facilitates market access for farmers, ensuring product consumption and maintaining high commercial value. In essence, timing is key for successful watermelon cultivation and consumption, benefiting both producers and consumers alike. Are you curious about how strong ropes are created from the agave sisal plant? To create sturdy ropes, farmers must go through the process of planting and caring for agave sisal plants under the harsh conditions of tropical and arid environments. Next is the process of turning it into sturdy products in the factory. Now let's start this magical journey. Introducing to you, agave sisal is a native plant of Mexico and is known by the common name agave sisal. The leaves of the sisal tree are very thick and tough, containing many strong fibers, making them an ideal source of raw materials for the production of rope and other fiber products. Sisal agave fiber is becoming more important globally, with its myriad applications bringing new life to an industry that was previously considered by some to be on the verge of collapse. Let's begin your journey to learn about how farmers grow and harvest sisal. If you find the sisal agave production process interesting, please leave comment number 1. These are the seeds of the sisal agave plant. To grow into large plants for harvesting, farmers have previously sown the seeds in a small garden. After the seedling grows about 20%, it will be moved to a larger planting site. This is a sisal field with an area of thousands of hectares. The process of loosening the soil and planting sisal agave begins with soil preparation and careful plant care, providing important steps to ensure the plant's growth and reproduction. Harvest time usually occurs when the sisal agave plant has reached maturity, usually 3 to 5 years after planting. At this time, the tree has grown large enough to produce strong and high-quality fibers. Are you attracted to the sisal harvest scene? Before harvesting, growers will check the plant's readiness by checking whether the color and size of the leaves meet standards. The harvesting process begins by removing the leaves of the sisal agave plant, mainly from the lower part of the plant. The main agave fibers are separated from the leaves, which are then collected and prepared for the next process. Precise and careful harvesting is important to ensure that the resulting agave fibers are of high quality and suitable for processing into final products. The process of using tools to separate sisal leaves from stems is an important part of the agave harvesting and processing process. This tool is often handmade from available materials to make the harvesting process easier and more effective. They are made from a sturdy stick of the right length and a circular piece of iron attached at the bottom. This iron is sharpened to easily cut off the leaves of the sisal plant gently and precisely. Although the tool has a simple design, it is very effective. After harvesting the leaves and tubers separately, each item will be divided into trucks and transported to the processing factory. The leaves of the sisal plant will be harvested for fiber, and the tubers will be used to make tequila. Sisal agave fibers are used to make products such as ropes, fabric cords, and even interior decoration products. Sisal fibers have high strength and good load-bearing capacity, making them an important raw material in many different industries. Arriving at the factory, the raw product is washed and soaked in water to soften it and make it easier to handle. The leaves are then placed on the work table, and the outermost leaves are cut off with a knife or cutter. They are then placed on the work table, and the outermost leaves are cut off with a knife or cutter. With only a layer of flesh left on the leaf, the sisal is processed with a manual scraper to separate the main bark from the inner agave fibers. Continue using the grinder to squeeze out all the water from the sisal fibers to ensure that when dried, it will not become moldy. This process requires care to ensure that the agave thread is not damaged. Next is the drying of the sisal fibers, an important step in preparing the agave fibers for further processing. Before starting the drying process, the agave fibers need to be completely processed and cleaned. The fibers are stripped of impurities and unwanted grass leaves through previous processing. They are washed to remove all the plastic, then continue to dry in the hot Mexican sun. Drying time can last from a few days to a week, depending on weather and humidity conditions. Once the sisal fibers have been completely dried, they are packaged and stored in dry conditions to ensure their durability and quality. Have you wondered why just a thin wire can create such a strong rope? The sisal fibers are fed through a winding machine, where they are wound together to form a rope. This process requires precision and adjustment to ensure that the rope has the desired thickness and strength. After wrapping, the rope is put through a heat press to make the sisal fibers stick together and create high durability. This process helps create a strong and durable rope. Finally, the ropes are quality tested to ensure that they meet the required safety and durability standards. Ropes that do not meet the requirements will be removed or modified. Do you know? Sisal agave can also make wine and paper. Can you believe it? In Tequila, Jalisco, Mexico, the scene is filled with beautiful sisal fields. Here they grow and grow sisal with many benefits, not only for profit but also for many effects that you cannot believe. This is the process of making sisal wine in the factory. The flesh of the stem is separated and sent to a processing plant, where the tuber is then crushed or minced to create a coarse mixture. The raw mixture is then placed into fermentation tanks for natural fermentation. During this process, the sugar in the mixture is converted into alcohol and carbon dioxide, creating the characteristic flavor and aroma of sisal. Once fermentation is complete, the mixture is distilled in stills to separate the alcohol from the rest of the mixture. This process produces pure sisal wine. Finally, the sisal is bottled and packaged ready for distribution and consumption. This is paper made from the body of a sisal scale. Can you believe it? After the fibers are dried, they are chopped, then used in a manual mill to crush them into a thick mixture. The paper layer created from the sisal fibers is then pressed together. This process may include using high heat or compressed air to dry the paper. Finally, the paper is cut into sheets or rolls of the desired size and packaged ready for use.